All right, so the first question is asking making a table there's a change in depth from 0 feet to 60 feet, and we just have to find a pressure. So the equation is P equals 14.7 plus 0.45 D. And while P stands for the pressure in pounds per inch square, the D stands for feet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug in 0 first in D. So pressure equals to 14.7 plus 0.45 times 0. Then we're gonna get 14.7 plus 0 equals to 0. And we're gonna just say P1 for that one. And pressure 2, I'm gonna say 14.7 plus 0.45 times 10, because you have to realize that P and D, they are the variable, so they're the one that's changing it, while the 14.7 and 0.45 are the constants, so they are the constant, even though when the pressure and depth still changes. And if you have more questions about those kind of concepts, you can refer to page 160 on chapter 1, section 10. I can upload this screenshot for you right there. So it says that whenever the y equals kx and k is not 0, then we say that it's a direct variation. So let's keep going. So P2 equals to 14.7 plus 4.5, and that will be equal to what? If you plug in the calculator, you'll get 19.2. And P3, keep going on, 0.45 times 20 this time. That will be 14.7 plus 9, and that will be equal to 23.7. And pressure 4 equals to 14.7 plus 0.45 times 30. That will be equal to 13.5. And if you plug in the calculator, it will be 28.2. And you just keep going until we reach to 60. So I'm gonna do the rest of them. And you realize that there's a pattern starting to show up. Oh, actually, this is 14.7. I made a mistake. Each 10-minute interval, it's increasing by 4.5, as you can tell. And then it will be 4.5 times 40. That will be that times 18. 32.7. P6 equals to 14.7 plus 0.45 times 50. That is equal to, if I put in the calculator, 37.2. And lastly, for pressure 7, 14.7 plus 0.45 times 60. We're going to stop at 60, and that will be equal to a plus 27. And once you put in the calculator, that'll be 41.7. And just want to make sure that we have to put all of those in pounds per inch square for all of those. Like that. So that's the first question. And all we have to do is just make a table. Don't have a good pencil to draw this, but basically this D will stand for depth and P will stand for P. and this will be 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. And oops. So this value will be P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, and P7 values. So this will be 14.7, 19.2, 23.7, 28.2, 32.7, 37.2, and 41.7. And you can just write the unit here, and the unit was feet. And here it was pound per inch squared. So that's the first question. Basically, you just have to plug it in and get the right value. And for letter B, it's asking, now if the pressure is 30 pounds per inch squared, what's going to be the depth? So the difference between first question and second question is that the first question, they gave you the depth value, and you have to find the pressure. And now they give you the pressure, and we have to find the depth. So all we have to do is we create a new text here. So pressure here equals to 30, and that will be equals to 14.7 plus 0.45 times D. And we're gonna just keep the D because we don't know what's gonna be the variable yet, and we're trying to find the answer. So 30 minus 14.7, that's equal to 15.3, and that's also equal to 0.45 times D. And D will be equals to 15.3 divided by 0.45. And if you actually plug that into your calculator, you will get 34. And the unit will be what? Feet. All right. Thank you.